In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to fix ChatGPT unusual activity error. If you're seeing unusual activity when trying to use ChatGPT, it usually means the system is detecting conflicting signals from your browser, network, or IP address. The good news is that you can clear it up quickly by working through a few simple checks. Start by signing out of your ChatGPT account, waiting a few seconds, and then logging back in. This refreshes your session and often clears temporary authentication hiccups that can trigger the warning. Next, try opening a new private or incognito window in your browser and logging in there. Incognito mode runs without your normal cache and typically disables most extensions, so it helps rule out cached data or add-ons interfering with the site. If you're using a VPN or a proxy, turn it off for now. Rapidly changing or shared IP addresses can look suspicious to automated systems. After disabling your VPN or proxy, refresh the page and try again. If the issue persists, clear your browser's cache and cookies for the ChatGPT site. Focus on site-specific data rather than wiping everything, and be aware this will sign you out. Removing stale or corrupted cookies often resolves authentication loops that appear as unusual activity. After that, disable browser extensions, especially VPNs, ad blockers, privacy tools, or security add-ons, and then reload ChatGPT. Even helpful extensions can inject scripts or modify requests in ways that resemble automation, which can trip protective systems. If you can, switch networks or devices. Move from office Wi-Fi to home Wi-Fi, or briefly tether to your phone's hotspot. Alternatively, try a different browser or computer. This helps confirm whether the issue is tied to a specific network environment or machine configuration. If your current chat seems stuck, start a brand new conversation. Occasionally, a single session gets into a bad state, and opening a fresh chat can clear the error immediately. If none of that works, give it some time and retry. Waiting 10 to 30 minutes often helps, especially after multiple refreshes or rapid logins that may have temporarily rate limited your access. Finally, check the OpenAI system status page. If there's an ongoing incident or elevated error rates, the problem may be on the service side, and all you can do is wait for a fix. Work through these in order, and you'll typically resolve the unusual activity error quickly. Thanks for watching, and I hope this helped you get back to your chat smoothly.